In this video, I will guide you how to print from Canva. Maybe you have been working on a design or document in Canva and you are now ready to go and print it out. Make sure you are fully finished. Now you want to head to the top right and go and click on share. Then you want to come down into this section and click on download. You will see there is not an option for print. What you want to do is go and click on download. For the file type, click here and select PDF print. And then what you can do is go and click on download. Now what you can do is go and find it in your downloads and you can open it up, or I can just do it in Chrome. Then you want to go to the top right and go and click on print button, or you can press Ctrl and P together. It will be printed.